need for flower number 3 are deep yellow 110. Then we need medium yellow 256. We need vermilion 449.
449.
Yes, and we need brown 028. First we are going to take medium yellow. Okay? And now medium yellow will be colored in the entire flower from down to upwards. Okay?
Even stem, ma'am.
No, leaving the stem. Leaving the stem.
Ma'am, very lightly or
Very lightly. Very lightly. Very lightly. Because we will be mixing 2-3 colors in this as we keep on moving up. Leave the center line and leave the stem. Leave the center line, okay, and leave the stem.
Ma'am, only stem or not?
Stem and beach mein there is one double line na beta, that one.
Ma'am, should we do yellow first?
Yes, medium yellow. And try to follow the direction. See, I'm trying to follow the direction of the drawing.
Ma'am, so can we use the oil pastel ulta so that it will come in the proper line?
How you can.
Ma'am, is this like yellow?
One second, I'll just have a look at it.
Yellow, and we should leave the only stem.
Stem and the center part.
Ma'am, is this line? This line.
Color is deep yellow.
Ma'am, even I have a nickname.
And now the next color is deep yellow, and deep yellow will be colored only in this part. You know the small part which is curving? Only in that part, and deep yellow should be colored little dark so that it is seen on medium yellow. No, not the full flower, only this small part. Yes, correct. Only that small part. Vermilion. Now, vermilion will be colored. Now, vermilion will be colored in this part, on the top part, but not the entire top part, okay? So, we will start coloring from here only till where the line is curving, little bit in the center line, like closer to that part that we had left empty. Then in this side, okay, and now what you have to do is you will be coloring the top line, but the top line has to be colored in an opposite direction. That means till now we were coloring from down to up. Now the top line we will color from like this, from the line towards inside, to show that the petal is turning towards inside. Okay. Now till half we will come like this, and from this side we will go from left to right.
Mama, can you show it up like this? I can't see it properly.
Yes, I'll just turn my paper again towards that side so y'all can see it. Okay. Let's take medium yellow again.
Is it fine?
Yes, now it is correct. Yes. Now you take medium yellow and we will just blend this area. So how are we going to blend this? We will color in this way, like front back, up and down, but not dark, very lightly. Okay, till this center line. See, till this center line you will color from like from down to up, and when you come this side your direction will change, so that we get the look that it is in this way, isn't it? We need to get that look that the flower is going like this, and on top of the center line we will just go like this. 1 second, I will just see. Okay, and it should be lightly done, not dark, because if it is dark, then vermilion will not be seen. We will take vermilion again, and in these two parts, okay, we will color from inside. Okay, and we will just okay, so we start from inside and we go towards outside of the right side. Just see that I'm not touching the border. I'm not touching the outside border. And the same thing over here. I will not touch the border. I will leave the border on both the sides. And then in the same way with medium yellow, we will blend it from outside. Now what I want you to notice here is, and see carefully, while I was coloring vermilion, I colored from in to out, right? But medium yellow, I'm coloring from outside towards vermilion, isn't it? Sure. Now you can start. So see, it is just blending.
Can you show it up like this? I can't see properly.
Now with brown, we will finish the final blending of the flower. This light part will be colored nothing. Okay, this center white part will be colored nothing. So what we are going to do is, we are going to first color brown in the stem. Alright. So this you all can color with the ulta side of the color, because we'll get a thin line. Very good. Okay, and then with brown, remember the part where we colored deep yellow, only deep yellow, where we colored medium yellow and deep yellow? In that part, just little bit of brown. Not the full thing, only little bit. And then little bit near, I will turn and I will show the paper. And then little bit over here, only in this side, not on this side, okay? Only one side. On top area where we colored vermilion and blended with medium yellow, that part. And little bit on. So basically,
lightly or darkly?
Medium type, not very dark, not very light, so that it can be seen. Just to make it little more bright in color, we will take deep yellow and we will just blend the brown that we colored now. And we will just color deep yellow randomly everywhere in the flower. But we will not touch the vermilion at all. Okay? That's it. This is how this tulip is. This flower, we are pink, orange, pink is 341, orange is 283, and primary red, which is 350. Pink, orange and primary red. Yes.
Mom, can you repeat again?
Sure. Pink 341, orange 283 and primary red 350.
Ma'am, suddenly get the 50 shades. How many types of...
Now let's take out the color for this part and for the leaves. So take out burnt sienna. Burnt sienna is 031. If you don't have burnt sienna, you can use brown.
Brown.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
And take out.
Ma'am, is it in the first row or the second row?
It's in the third row. Okay. Then take out sap green, which is 381, and
Dark green. Yes, ma'am, I have sap green.
and light green, which is 240. So I will start with first petal. First color I'm going to take is pink, and I'm going to color pink in my full petal, but I'm going to color it lightly. Because we are going to mix few colors, we are going to bring some...
all the petals?
Because it is exactly in this way, you're going to color all the petals. So I will color one petal and show it to you all. Okay, so see. The petal which is coming towards left side, it should be colored in left curve. The petal which is on the right side should be colored in the right curve.
Is this like okay?
Yes, it is.
And the middle one?
Middle one, I will show it how we are going to color it.
Okay, ma'am.
Because in the center one, we have to maintain the direction of both sides. Because it is like this, right? It is like this. So we have to maintain this direction also and this direction also. So for the center one, I'm coloring with pink. Now,
Lotus.
yes. Now the pink one, you will start, sorry, the center one, we will start from the center, the bottom center point, and our left side, we will color in the left curve. That's okay, no problem. And on the right curve, we will color from the right side. Okay. Now as we come towards center, our strokes will become little straight. But on the two sides, it is curvy. Alright. Next color will be red, primary red. Yes, Shurjo, correct. Next color is primary red, and primary red will be colored in the center. Ha, Shravya, now it is correct, yes. Now in the, yes, right in the center one. You will color from downside. Okay, hold your color this way. Don't hold it like this, hold it like this.
In pencil hole?
In aerial hold, in up to down, like vertical hold, straight hold. And just color till half. Now for the side two petals, we will just
be like this.
correct in this, yes, correct, yes, correct. Now in the side two petals, Shurjo red, we will just color the side, and that too only till here. We will not color the full part, we will just color the side part, just to show the shadow of this petal on this and shadow of this petal on this. Okay, so we will just color the side part. Just to show the shadow part, that because of the shadow it is becoming darker. Be orange, and with orange we will be just pulling over this, but we will not go till the top. We will just pull the red. I'm just blending the red with pink. I'm just blending red and covering the bottom part of the flower.
Should cover the whole.
No, not the whole. Leave the tips. Leave the top part. Only
some space over here.
Yes, correct. On the top. So color only till the place where you have colored red.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.